Hello students, I am Dr. Sunita Gajawat from the Zoology Department. In this small video lecture, we will talk about the second wave of corona in India. Now, two questions. Number 1, what is a wave? And number 2, what is a second wave of corona? So first, what is a wave? Wave is a wavy pattern. There is a rising trend from the bottom to the peak, and then there is a falling trend from the peak to the bottom again. Now, our second question, what is the second wave of corona? तो हमें ये जानकारी होनी चाहिए कि किसी भी पैंडमिक की कुछ वेव्स होती हैं और ये 1 से 4 और 5 तक हो सकती है। दूसरे शब्दों में, कोई भी पैंडमिक जब आता है, it rises towards its peak. In other words, the cases of infected people in the pandemic rises in a gradual manner and reaches its peak, and after that it begins to decline again until it reaches the ground level. तो हमारे देश इंडिया में भी फर्स्ट वेव ऑफ कोरोना फरवरी 2020 में शुरू हुई थी और वो सितंबर 2020 तक पीक पर आई और इसके बाद इसका डिक्लाइन शुरू हो गया। मार्च के शुरू में आते आते तो ये मान लिया गया था कि भारत से कोरोना जा चुका है और वीडियो गेम की भाषा में एंड गेम पर है। जैसा हम कह सकते हैं, वी आर विटनेसिंग द एंड गेम ऑफ कोरोना। लेकिन तभी अचानक कोरोना के नए केसेस की संख्या फिर से बढ़ने लगती है, जो अप्रैल की शुरुआत में 50,000 पर डे थी और फिर बढ़ते बढ़ते अप्रैल के एंड तक आते आते 3.5 लाख पर डे तक पहुंच गई। दिस हैज़ बीन टर्म्ड एज द सेकेंड वेव ऑफ कोरोना इन इंडिया। इसे आगे समझने से पहले हमें कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझना आवश्यक है, जैसे व्हाट इज़ कोरोना रियली। अभी हमने देखा वी आर यूजिंग द टर्म कोरोना अगेन एंड अगेन, but the first, let us understand what corona is all about. कोरोना एक प्रकार का वायरस है। Its technical name is SARS-CoV-2 and in popular term it is known as COVID-19. Now the question is, what is a virus? Structure wise, it is a very simple life form, and a virus is a tiny particle entity. It can be seen only by the advanced electron microscope. For example, the size of COVID-19 virus is 100 nanometer. 1 नैनोमीटर का मतलब 1 मीटर का अरबवा हिस्सा 1 बिलियन ऑफ ए मीटर होता है। इसके साइज़ का अंदाज इससे लगा सकते हैं कि एक टाइनी डॉट जो हम बनाते हैं उसमें लगभग 5,000 से 10,000 तक कोविड-19 वायरस समा सकते हैं। अब इसके स्ट्रक्चर को समझते हैं। अ वायरस हैज़ ए वेरी सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ होलो बॉल which has a tiny mass of thread inside it. Outer cover of the hollow ball is made up of protein and the mass of thread is made up of genetic material. In the case of corona, this genetic material is RNA. There are spike-like structure also projecting from the outer covering. These are glycoproteins. These spikes give the impression of a crown. So, from crown, we take this word corona. And you are advised to wash your hand often with soap or detergent or to sanitize, because the soap, detergent or sanitizer destroy these glycoprotein spikes and prevent the spreading of corona. अब हम वापस से अपने मेन टॉपिक पर आते हैं. Why this second wave is dangerous? The second wave is dangerous due to two reasons. First, because it is again a wave इसमें कोविड-19 पेशेंट की संख्या भी बढ़ी है and second, a double mutant of COVID-19 has entered into the scene. There is an evidence that there is triple mutant also जो अभी तो बंगाल तक ही सीमित है. Now the question is, what is mutant or variant? Mutation is scientific term while variant is a common man term. The term mutant come from mutation. So what is mutation? A mutation is the sudden genetic change in the structure of virus. Now we know that the genetic material is responsible for the change in the characters of living being. Therefore, the change in the gene or genetic material will lead to the appearance the new characters. Most of the time, these characters are recessive, so do not manifest themselves. But in rare cases, these new characters reveal themselves. If these characters are harmful, they might bring about disastrous consequences. This is what is happening in the second wave of corona pandemic in India. This double mutant has been named as B.1.617. It became into existence in Maharashtra. It is called double mutant because it is a combination of two mutant which already existed. These two mutants were 484 and 452. Their full name are E484Q and L452R. This double mutant exhibits two main characters. First, it is more infectious or contagious, and second is more lethal or deadly. That is causes more death. It is spread from one family member to another also. So whole family members are getting infected. So it is being advised masking should be done in family also. There are the major variants of COVID-19 that have surfaced in different countries of the world so far. As time goes, more variants will appear, so it has become a constant challenge for humanity to survive this virus. We will take up another related topic in the next video. Thank you.